May the words of my mouth and the meditations of all our hearts be acceptable in thy sight, O Lord, our rock and our Redeemer. Amen. Blessings of Blue Christmas to all of you. During this season, churches everywhere will be filled with happy people. People will gather to sing the traditional carols, hear the Christmas story and light candles. Millions on Christmas Eve night will rise and sing joy to the world, right? Many at the same time during this season will go to bed and face the longest night of the year in despair. There will be many that lie down wondering, where is the joy? For people that are hurting, struggling, or mourning, the longest night of the year is so very long. For some, the bills have not been paid. The credit debt is mounting, the work is hard to come by, and several families who have lost a loved one, they have empty chairs in their houses. The night is so very long. The night can be so very long. The night can be so very dark and cold too. Some say that everything happens for a reason. God is in control and God has a plan. But what kind of God could plan such things, we might ask? Is this the God that I'm supposed to celebrate? Is this the God that I'm supposed to worship? How can I sing joy to the world when there is none in my own heart? Several people will be struggling with these questions during this Christmas time. Christmas does not mean everything is okay. Christmas did not end the sadness, the pain, or the despair. For those that are hurting at Christmas, I hope that you are not alone. I do not offer any simple platitudes. I do not offer any easy answers this evening. All I can offer you is love. I don't think that everything happens for a reason. I think there are terrible things that happen every day that God did not plan. If it were not so, why would Jesus ask us to pray that God's will to be done, right? I also think that God gives us the power and the grace to overcome even the worst that can happen to us. God gives us the chance to heal and be healed, to feed and to be fed, to love and to be loved. The longest night can be so very long. Christmas does not end the night, but it gives us hope for the dawn. Today, as we have gathered together for this solemn service, my dear friends, let us take this time and claim that God is with us. Know that tomorrow the night will be shorter. Know that soon the light of God will break through. Know that on Christmas God broke through the chaos. And know that on Christmas God came to life so that we may have life abundant and life eternal. We gather here today to acknowledge that our pain, our loss is real. We acknowledge that death has its place in the world, but it is not in a place of triumph. Death has been swallowed up in victory. Therefore, the peace of Christ, child, is for us, for you and for me today. And I want to wish all of you have a blessed and peaceful season of Christmas. Amen. Couple of notes.